I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. I am an affiliate with them, so you can enter my coupon code in the search bar on the website or in the app. It should take you to my storefront. It should also provide you with some coupons, which is always really nice. And if you guys ever have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys out. Just leave a comment, and even if you're looking for something that you can't find, just let me know and I will see if I can find it for you. So let's dive on in. I'm excited. I got quite a bit of stuff this time. So this is partial what they sent me, part I purchased myself. This one I am super stoked for. I have not done a little banner pendant in a really long time, and I like that this one is one piece and then you can go ahead and fold it and decorate it. That's going to be really cute. So this one is in a birthday theme. So it does say happy. There is a little cupcake right here. You get a bunch of little stars. You have the stitched little inner part right here, or this one that is not. You can also probably turn this into a shaker. It's going to be really thin, really close. But I want to bet that we can do that. So I might try that out. Then over here you have stripes. I thought this would be really good 4th of July, especially with all the stars up here. I thought would be really cute as well. Oh, let me tell you the price. That was $3.97. I will leave a link down below with the product link so that way you guys can find it. This one was $1.28 and it's a really pretty butterfly. I'm hoping to do some spring projects, so I wanted to get a couple butterfly dies. I think I have like another one coming also. So here's what this one looks like. So you have like the little body, you have the outline of the butterfly, and then over here this is a layering piece. Now that I'm looking at this one, I don't think this is a good die. I don't think I'd recommend this one, because if you're gonna layer it, the body's gonna come out, cut out right here, unless you can get like in there and snip it apart. I don't have my wire cutters out here. No, I don't. So I'm gonna have to try that, but look at how thick that is. Because if not, if you run this whole piece through the die, it's going to cut the body out right here. And usually the metal's thin enough that you could just like pop these out. Yeah, I'm going to need wire cutters for that. So this is to be determined if I would recommend that one or not. As of right now, the way I see it, I would say no. Get a different one. I did get some leaf dies. So this one was $1.96. And this one comes with 3 different sizes. I do have another one. Let me pull it out. Here you go. Here is the other leaf die. This one was $2.12. So I like that it came with the 3 different sizes, and then these are 2 different styles. So you can see this one has 3 leaves over here to my left, and then this one has 6 leaves over here. But I like that it came in 3 different sizes. This one is definitely a lot larger, and these are smaller. I'm betting you can even use them together because they are kind of like the same style. So that would be really cute. I got this one because I thought it was really cute to make a little ghosty lollipop. So here's your lollipop. You got like a little button piece looking right here. You can use this portion to put on top of your lollipop to make it look like a little ghosty. You could do a little peppermint over here. It also has stitching, which I really like. That one was $1.75. In my last haul, I had got some Bumblebee, different products. And I still want to do a Bumblebee this spring. So I got these black stars that I thought would make a really cute little sequence mix. You can see little black stars. This cost $1.79 and it was 15 grams. So if you wonder what 15 grams is, it is this little pouch right here. So maybe like 1.5 inches by 2 is what that looks like. I also, in a previous haul, I got a bunch of budgeting and planner type stuff. So I got some of that stuff again. This was $7.88. I like that I can color the cover. So I am going to be coloring it. I think this would be really fun. So it's kind of hard to see in the photo what sheets all come in this book. So I'm really excited to actually open it and see what we have going on here. Okay, right off the bat, the pages are cute. Like, I like all of this. But you can see through. Maybe not on camera, but yeah, I can definitely see like this box right here that's on the next page. See that box? So it is not very thick paper. Oh, see right here, you can see the shadowing of the house with like the dollar sign, the little heart over here, and some like leaves. So it is very, very thin paper, which makes me sad that it's so thin that you can see through. Like that drives me crazy. Like when I write in my planner and the marker or the pen like bleeds through. So yeah, not my favorite. It could be better quality. Okay, I like the little like index page. And then over here you have like a year at a glance calendar. So I could put like, what am I saving for in January, which would normally be like Sunny's birthday. And then I could put like how much I want to save. My birthday, put my birthday, how much I want to save. September, you know, my Alaska trip, how much I want to save. Is kind of how I'd use that page. Oh, okay. See, this is cute. I wish it was just better quality paper. So we got a monthly calendar, your goals and notes. So that goes all the way through the entire year. Then we get to the budget section. Oh, see, I like this worksheet. So it's income, side hustles. You have expenses, the mortgage, internet, electricity, repairs, water, property taxes, insurance. I really, really like this sheet. I would like run a copy of this to have this one. But I wonder if all the like back shadowing is going to come through. So you have expenses, you have debts, you have food and beverage, personal, savings, transportation, and health. I really like that page. Then over here we have income, health, transportation, savings, all of that over there. And what's over here? So a lot of like charts. I like that. Over here you can track your different categories of expenses. That's really good. So you, like, I was trying to think about like things that I need to save for, and I was realizing that there's so much more that I don't even realize, you know, like my property taxes and then my car insurance, because my car insurance came up that was due, and I was like, oh man, like I need to save for that like all year long instead of paying it up front. Because before I had a really old Jeep, and that was like under 200 bucks, so not bad. Where I have a brand new car now, so it's at like just over 500 for the registration, and I'm like, ooh, that's like a big hit. So that's something that I need to track and budget for all year long. Oh, look, there's subscription tracking in here. We have like Disney Plus, Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime, you know, all of that. So that's gonna be really good. So monthly bills, quarterly bills. Okay, this book is great. Annual bills, utility, debt tracker, sinking funds, insurance stuff. Okay, I really like this. Investments, retirement. Yeah, I just wish it was better quality. No spend tracker, bank accounts, no spend, like a whole year at a glance. Calendar. Okay, there's a whole lot. If you keep wanting me to go through all of this, I'll probably have to do it in another one because this video is already getting long. Bank account infos. Okay, I like that book. Wish it was better quality paper though. So that would be my warning for that one. Double-sided tape. I want to get back into making projects with you guys. So this was $3. What did I even write there? Oh, 1 cent. So 6 different double-sided tapes. I also got like a mini one. So they had this 6-pack, and I like this one because you can see it had the 6 different sizes. But I also got this mini little rolls that I thought would be good for like when I travel. I like taking crafting stuff with me. This was $2.71, and you get 20 rolls of this one, and it's all the same thickness. I think it's like a 1/4 inch thick. So I got that one. This was $6.82. And this one is a stamp. Oh. So it is a monthly little stamp. Let me get a paper. And did I? Oh yeah, I did lose the bottom here. So it does come with a cover, but I lost it when I pulled it out. What can I stamp this on? Oh, here. So this was $1.85 for haircuts. So kind of just to help me track my own haircuts. I try to trim my hair like every 3 months, and I just do it myself with some like Dollar Tree scissors. So let's, oh no, it fell. Oh no, it got on my desk. Okay, I don't like this one. It fell off. Okay, well, it easily came off my table. So is this whole thing just gonna fall out when I flip it over? Oh, see, that's cute. I actually like that. So you can actually like mark like a little calendar. Okay, that's cute, but why did it fall out the first time? And now it's like staying in there, so I don't know. But that's cute. I could definitely see myself using this, especially like if you junk journal. That'd be really, really cute. Okay, another thing I got, part of my budgeting stuff, was $5.74. So I need to track stuff like monthly, like keep receipts and stuff. So I got this one, and I loved this little binder that it came with. Like, look how pretty. I love the little stars. And then it came with the different envelopes for each month. So we have all the months here, so I can put all my little receipts by the month. Oh, and it's not a sticker. It's actually printed on. Oh, I like that. Okay, this is going to be perfect. So now I can stick all my receipts and sort it by month. So that was a monthly one. Okay, I don't remember why I got purple. I thought I was looking for like black. So I need to go check my order. But that was $8.08. It's probably the only one that they had at the time. And then it came... Ooh. Okay, I actually like this. It's a slick glitter. It's not gonna like flake off glitter, so I really like that. And kind of the same thing. So these same pouches, and then some budgeting sheets. Oh, I know what I wanted this for. This is gonna be part of my savings. I think this one came with stickers, now that I think about it. So budget sheets. Oh yeah, see, okay. Like I said, I was, like my car maintenance, I have to get, like, what do they tell me? I need to get my oil change, and I need to do an alignment. So I need to like budget for that. So I'm not going to use a bunch of this stuff. But yeah, like my car insurance, transportation. So I might use some of these. A lot of these I won't use. But that's what I got it for, was I wanted to like use my Cricut to write my own. So like car insurance that I got to save for all year, and the maintenance of my car, and my property tax, because that's like a freaking big one. I just paid that in April. So I was like, ugh, I need to like budget all year for this and just have it like put away. So that's what I got that one for. And then with this one, I got budgeting sheets. So I guess I didn't remember that this came with a couple, but I probably need more. So this is only $2.48. So I need to track my craft spending. I feel like I really went overboard lately. Ooh, and they're all blue. That's probably why I picked this one, because I don't like pink. So that's probably why I picked this one. I feel like I've gone overboard, especially with like all that clearance at Hobby Lobby. So I feel like if I actually see what I'm spending, it might help me control my spending, because I've been trying to be good. So I figure if I can write it down, like today's date, Hobby Lobby, how much did I spend type of a thing, I figure that will be better for me, because I'm very like visual. So to be able to see all my craft spending all in one spot, I think will help me be like, girl, you really need to slow the brakes down, especially since like I want to travel more, and I am traveling more. So I definitely needed that. So that's our little video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really debating if I want to do planner and like budgeting videos. I think it would really help me and maybe possibly help you guys. So I'm thinking about it. So let me know. What do you guys think? So anyways, that's our little video for today. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'm happy to help you guys out. Don't forget to use my little coupon code here. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.